Again 15.2 exercise. The find standard deviation. Okay, the first formula of deviation, variance and deviation. So mean already given and mean deviation already given. The variance. So variance is denoted by sigma square. Okay, this is equal to sigma xi minus x bar square upon n. This formula only magnitude होता था उधर, mean deviation square, that is already, and table type without table type and directly equivalent, and variance sigma square equal to with table type fi bracket xi minus x bar whole square upon n. This formula, main formula यही है, this formula. Okay, by mean use of the direct method, ASU method or step deviation method, and shortcut method. This is an important method. Shortcut method means find mean by step deviation method. You know about this step deviation method in 10th class? Step deviation method. Find the mean by the step deviation method. Okay. So this method is also shortcut. And step deviation method, use step deviation method, find mean and use also find the variance or standard deviation by shortcut method. Okay. This formula, variance sigma square equal to h square upon n square bracket n sigma fi xi square minus sigma y, use y, and fi yi whole square bracket closed, where yi equal to xi minus a upon h. H is a class interval, difference of class interval. Yeah, size of the class interval is assume. Data of the nxi. This is a shortcut method. Okay, so solution by shortcut method, so you can find this, and standard deviation. Standard deviation denoted by sigma. This is equal to sigma square, means under root variance. Okay. Standard deviation equal to square root of the variance. So find variance and then after find the standard deviation. This is a formula. Okay, now let question number 1. 6, 7, then find mean variance of each of the following term. Find mean 6, 7 can directly mean. So mean x bar equal to sum of this formula use. Okay, these are directly 9th class with 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 upon number of term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Total sum 6, 13, 13, 10, 23, 23, 25, 35, 35, 38, 48, 52, 60, 72 equal to 9. Okay, x bar equal to 9, first answer. And variance, so using variance to find this formula. Okay, so by table type, this xi and find xi minus दिस इज xi माइनस x बार फाइंड करना है, एंड देन आफ्टर xi माइनस x बार स्क्वेयर एंड सम. तो xi means using smallest value 4, and then after 6, 7, 8 and 10, 12, 13, okay, 12, 2 times 12 and 13. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, total हो गया. xi this, xi minus x bar. तो xi is given, xi this. तो 4 minus 9 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 and this 4. xi minus x bar square 25, 9 4 1 1 9 9 16, and sum of the xi minus x bar square equal to will be equal to 5, 18 18 19 20 29 29 9 38 and 38 and 6 44. Four to 6 and 7. So find variance equal to sigma square equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square upon n. Total n this 8. Okay, number of data is equal to n equal to 8. This value equal to 74 divided by 8. 8 9 ja 72, 2.18 2 ja 16, 18 5 ja 45. Okay, that's your answer. Therefore mean x bar equal to 9 and variance sigma square equal to 9.25. That your answer. Okay, next question. Question number, now let question number 5. Okay, 5 table type question. xi and fi given, direct method. Okay, xi fi is given 6 92 and 92 93 97 98 and 102 104 and last 109. This and fi 323 and 3233 and 2633. Okay, find mean and variance, no standard deviation. Okay, so variance already find 10. तो find mean तो using direct method और assume method. तो assume method से भी कर सकते हो, direct method से. तो direct method ही right रहेगा, जो numerical and frequency or value is lower, so use of the direct method fi and xi. Clear? And total of fi 3 3 6 6 6 12 and 14 14 to 16 and 3 19 19 3 22 and equal to 22. fi xi 92 में 9 3 जा 27. Okay, 2 3 जा 6 और 2 9 जा 18 and 3 7 जा 21 और 3 9 जा 27 और 29. okay, 18 16 and 9 to 18 19 12 or 6 1 are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 1 are 3, 3 9 are 27, 3 1 are 3. Okay, total sigma fi xi equal to 19 or 2 21 23 and 7 33, 10 18 18 27 36 7 38 40, 4 6 7 8 9 10 10 16 16 or 3 19 and 3 22. The mean x bar equal to sigma fi xi upon n, 22 upon 22, this will be equal to 100. The mean is 100 and find xi minus x bar, and then after xi minus x bar square, and last use fi xi minus x bar square. Find xi minus x bar. Xi is given or bar equal to 100. So 92, this minus 8, this minus 7 and minus 3 and minus 2, and this will be equal to 2, 104 and this 9. Square 64, 49, 3 3s are 9 and 4 and 4, 16, 81. Then find multiply fi and xi. 3 multiply 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18, 19, and 9 2s are 18 or 4 2s are 8. Okay, and this 27, 4 2s are 8, 4 24 and 48, and this 3 1s are 3 or 3 8s are 24, and sum fi xi minus x bar square will be equal to 10 10 17 17 and 25 25 and 29 20 37 37 3 40 4 9 9 18 18 20 22 26 and 30 and 34 and 3 4 5 6. Okay, variance sigma square equal to sigma fi xi minus x bar whole square upon n is 642 upon n equal to 22. This divided by and 2 say 3 and 2 0 upon 11. 11 2s are 22, 10 100, 9 are 29, 100 99, 1 and point लगा लो 0 and under 0 9. Okay, the variance equal to 29.09 and x bar equal to 100. Okay, that's your answer. Clear? And then next question, same this type question already. 7 to 8, 7 8 are same or different type question, and 9 10 shortcut type method. Okay, so use, can you solve question number 7 and 8? Is table type but CI class interval type, table with class interval type. So class interval change to xi, and then after use find this formula in this method. Okay, and 10. Now 10 and 9 is by shortcut method. by shortcut method. This is important method only. Baki other to very this type method. Okay. Ci given, Ci find to xi, xi fi are given. So this same method same, and one table or x extra. So and you can use of assume method for finding the mean. Find the mean and then after you. Okay. So shortcut method by step deviation method. The shortcut method use question number 9 and 10 and question number I think 6. Okay. So 10 diameter. This is important question. Diameter and diameter given in the class interval. Okay. Ci and then after find xi. सॉरी यहाँ xi कर लेते इधर. दिस इज ऑल्सो fi है ना. ओके 33. ओ दिस इज ऑल्सो xi और दिस ci. 33 to 36, 37 to 1 gap है. 37 to 40, 42 41 to 44 और 45 to 49 48 and 49 to 52. Okay, this will be changed in the continuous function, continuous ei. So 0.5 subtract from lower limit and 0.5 add in upper limit. Clear? So this 32.5 to 36.5. This 37 माइनस पॉइंट करेंगे तो 36.5 और ये हो जाएगा आपका, ये आगे कर देता हूँ, गड़बड़ हो रही है इसमें, क्वेश्चन हो गया. एंड डायमीटर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 डायमीटर. ओके तो 33 to 36, 37 to 40, 41 to 44, 45 to 48 and 49 to 52. Okay, and this will be changed in the continuous function, continuous limit. So 32.5 to 36.5, 36.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 44.5, 44.5 to 48.5, 48.5 to 52.5. Continue and find xi and then after fi use. Okay, will we continue. Xi 32.5 plus 36.5, then value same. Okay, 5.5 33 339 and 6 by 2 3 and multiply 34.5. This is 34.5 or gap means h equal to difference 36.5 to 32.5, 0.5 cancel, so this is equal to 4. Okay, so 448, so 38.5 and 42.5, 46.5 and 50.5. Yeah, 46 for 50.5. Okay, fi is given 15, 17, 21, 22 and 25. By shortcut method, तो by use find कर तो use assume method, तो use assume तो 1 2 1 2 दिस इज द राइट. तो 42 is assume. Okay, assume data यानी a equal to 42.5. You can use this on this also, depend on you. Okay, no problem. So firstly find yi equal to xi minus a upon h. This formula is step deviation method. So use this. Use ui equal to xi minus a in 10th class. So u equal to y. So yi equal to this formula. Okay. So find xi minus a upon h. Xi is given minus a is assumed 42.5 minus divide by h equal to 4. So do roughly work 34 and 42.5, 34.5 subtract 0 and 12 minus 4 8 means 8 divided by 4, so minus 2. Okay, divide by 4 and this will be equal to 4 minus divided by 2 1. This will be equal to 0, है ना, and 4 1 or this 2. We are short. And then find fi yi. Okay, fi yi, and then after y square yi square or fi yi square. Clear? So fi yi in this formula. And then after find, so this fi yi is given. This will be minus 30 and minus 17 and 21 0 22. This will be 50. Yi square 4 1 0 1 and then 4 and fi and yi square 60. 17 1 ja 17, 21 0, 22 22, 25 4 ja 100. Okay, and find total fi yi and this fi yi square. Okay, so 30 22 to this 72. This will be equal to 72 minus 47. This will be here 12 5 or 6 minus 4 25. Okay, this fi yi and this fi yi square 60. This all present 7 7 2 9 199. Okay, so find mean, calculate the standard deviation mean diameter mean. So findly mean. So mean already use this formula by assume method. So mean equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon n multiply h. This formula. Okay, now this is a step deviation method. A 42.5 plus fi ui means yi. Okay, so yi equal to 25 upon n equal to total n number of total frequency 5 13 13 or 2 15 and 22 2 2 4 2 6 or 2 8 or 2 10 100 by 100 multiply 4. This 4 by 100 1 हो गया. This is 43.5. So mean equal to 43.5. Okay, and find variance standard deviation find करना. तो firstly find variance square and then after multiply. तो variance h square upon n square and sigma fi yi square minus bracket sigma fi yi whole square. This putting h equal to 4 square upon 100 square. 100 this value fi by I square multiply 199 minus this value 25 whole square. Okay, this 16 upon 100 into 100 and this हो गया 19900 minus 625. Subtract here, subtract, multiply this and 5 10, this 9 minus 2 7, and 8 minus 6 2 19 upon, okay, multiply by 16 and then use this formula. So 60 80 112 or 8 120 12 और 16 2 जा 32 and 44, this 4 44 4 144 and 148, okay, 4 add and 148 तो 14 or 16 and 14 and 30, divide by 2, okay, 1 2 cancel and this value equal to 30.84. okay, this is a variance and standard deviation sigma equal to under root variance, equal to under root 30.84. this will be equal to कितना होगा भाई, निकालो इसे राइट साइड करके, 30.84 पेयर बन गया and 5 5s are 25 5 and 0.84 का 5 10 हो गया and 5 से ही जाएगा 5 25 2 और 5 2 और 5 बन जा 5, डिवाइड कर दो, कितना बचा ये 49 and 7 minus 2 5 59 0 0 है ना, 59 00 55 का 1 1 10, ये भी 5 से जाएगा समथिंग, तो 5.55 approximate. okay, this standard deviation, this is method, a shortcut method, important question. okay, and you can see in this, write your answer and this type question very solve. okay, and complete your exercise. If any doubt you can ask to me. okay, and solve only question number this, question number 2, important 3. okay, and 5 already done, so 4 then 6, can solve 6. okay, 7 8 or 9 only. Thank you.